Now, I've been messing around with this new video AI generator update for quite a bit now, and I have to say that I haven't seen anything like it in the market right now, and I'm actually kind of impressed. With just this one simple prompt, I was able to generate any type of video that I wanted, including Disney, Pixar, Claymation, Lego, Minecraft, and the best part is, it just doesn't stop there. There's still 17 more options I haven't even mentioned yet. Now just check out what I made with this new updated version of this AI.
Hi there, I'm Lila, and this is my story of how I accidentally almost broke time. This is Sparky, my best friend. He's a robot, but he's got more heart than most humans I know.
Beep, boop, beep.
One day, I discovered my NeoSpark 3000 phone wasn't just for selfies and holograms. With one touch, I could literally change reality.
Pretty good, right? The tool I use is called InVideo AI version 3.0. So in this video, if you wouldn't mind just giving me a little bit of your time, I'd love to show you a quick tutorial on how you can do the exact same thing. Now, to get started, just open up their website, go to InVideo.ai, and I'll make sure to drop a link down in the description so you can take advantage of a free trial and some free credits that come along with this thing. Now, I'm going to log in here. Now, make sure that you select version 3.0 and not 2.0. 2.0 is still available. For the purpose of this video, you want to select 3.0 because this is the new updated version that lets you create pretty much anything you want, and it's all AI generated. Now, once that's selected, scroll down to the bottom, and you're going to want to select the All Workflows tab right here. And when you do that, you'll see all the possible videos that you can generate. And as you can see, there's just so many options to choose from. I mean, you've got AI shorts, screenplay, generative AI ads, TikTok short videos, food ads, short AI films, horror films, YouTube videos, explainer videos. Then you've got animated style videos down below here, animated AI explainers, animated shorts, anime style, Lego animation, Minecraft, etc. The list goes on and on with this thing. But let's start with something real simple, like a Disney Pixar animated video. Now, keep in mind, this is the only AI generated video creator that handles everything that goes behind producing a full video. I'm talking about the script, the voiceover, storyline, and footage. This is making video creation super simple. And this is why I said there's nothing in the market like it right now. And I'll definitely compare it to the other AI video generators out there that you're probably using and paying for right now. And then you'll understand what I'm talking about when I say this. Now let's scroll down to the animated video section. And we're going to select Disney Pixar right here. But if you're ever struggling to find exactly what you want, because as you can see, the options are so many, you can just go up here to search workflows or search flows and type in Disney Pixar. And as you can see, it just pops right up, and we're going to select it. Now, after selecting the workflow that you want, you come up to another screen that you can design and customize your video. This is your prompt generator right here. Now, the first thing you want to do is select the duration of your video. And as you can see, it ranges anywhere from 1 to 20 minutes. And this is what I was talking about in comparison to the other AI generated video generators out there, like Sora, Runway, Luma Labs, whichever one you want to select. They're not like this. This gives you 20 minutes of full videos. The other AI generators give you 15 to 20 second clips only. This is drastically different than the other ones that are out there, and that's exactly what I was talking about. Now, next, we'll need to describe what the video will be about. And for this, I want to go to ChatGPT, and I will put in a simple prompt in ChatGPT to give me a storyline. Please give me a Disney Pixar animated story prompt that I can use for InVideo AI about a girl in the future that lives in a futuristic city with a best friend who is a robot, and she has a super futuristic phone that has magical powers. and we got our prompt from ChatGPT. And now we're gonna go back to InVideo, and we'll make the video 1 minute long. We're gonna paste in the prompt, and we're gonna keep going down the settings here. So as you can see, there's a bunch of settings from background music to language, subtitles, voice actors, watermark text, stock, generative, and music preference. Okay, so I don't want to mess with the background music and right now, but I want to point out something very important. When you go to stock or generative, you want to click on the plus here, and we want to select only generated images. Okay, because this, if you don't select this, if you select only stock media, this will give you their stock media or B-roll library. They'll choose it from that to make the video, but you want it to be generated images only. So you want it to be fully 100% AI generated. So we'll select this, and we'll go down to the language, and we'll make the language English. And you can also select voice actors, and we'll choose a female voice, clear American voice, and we'll make her the narrator. We can select bold and pop and subtitles, and I don't want the background music. And the style will be Disney Pixar as our default, because that's what we choose. That's what we chose in our workflow. Okay. And now when you have everything complete, you want to just now go and hit continue, and it brings you up to another screen that has your prompt in it, and you've customized it the way you wanted it. So now you just hit generate a video. Now at this point, the AI will begin to analyze all our preferences, and shortly afterwards it will ask us about our audience preferences. So you're going to select the audience type, and for this purpose, since it's Disney Pixar, we'll go with kids. And then you'll come up to the look and feel. We're going to go with bright, and now you can also choose the platform: YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. If we're going to keep it in YouTube, it's going to be a landscape aspect ratio of 1920 by 1080p. Shorts or Instagram Reels will be a vertical landscape with the aspect ratio of 9 by 16. We're going to keep it YouTube landscape, and we're going to hit continue, and the AI will now begin to generate the video. All right, the video is done. Let's give it a quick look and see what we think.
Hi there, I'm Lila, and this is my story of how I accidentally almost broke time and fixed it with friendship. I've always dreamed of exploring the stars, but I never thought my adventure would start right here in Lumina. This is Sparky, my best friend. He's a robot, but he's got more heart than most humans I know.
Beep, boop, beep.
One day, I discovered my NeoSpark 3000 phone wasn't just for selfies and holograms. With one touch, I could literally change reality. It was amazing and terrifying. Suddenly, glitches started appearing all over Lumina. Buildings flickered, gravity went wonky. But the hardest part, trusting myself and my friendship with Sparky. In the end, it wasn't the phone's power that saved Lumina. It was believing in ourselves and each other. Now, when I look at the stars, I realize the greatest adventures are the ones we share with friends.
That's pretty good, right? All right, so this is what I want to talk about now. So let's say you want to make some changes. There are editing features that you can do with this tool here. So if we pull up our video here, workspace, we go to edit. And as you can see right up here, you got all the different scenes or images, about 15, I think, right? And you can make changes up here to the media up top here, to the music, to the script. Let's say there was something about the script, an error, or misspelling, or just an idea of a particular line you wanted to change. You could do that here. And then you got your settings, which will change the overall settings of everything that's a part of the video, like the overlay presets, the transitions if you wanted to add transitions, if you wanted to change the subtitles, the text presets, the master volume, the media volume versus the music master volume, and the voiceover volume. And if you even wanted to change the characters' voices, okay, or the characters period, like if you want to change the characters' genders, if you wanted to make Leela a male versus a female, if you want to make Sparky a female versus a male, and you would just go to save changes. But we don't want to make any of those changes. Let's focus on the media here, okay? And if you wanted to change the media, right, like this one, for instance here, the ending, I don't like that. We can either upload our own media, we can do a stock media out of their stock library. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna select the ending here like we did, and we'll go to generative media, and we're gonna hit generate new media. And then you simply just describe what you want it to do. Let's do change this to a simple ending with no text or subtitles of just a future city. Okay, because I didn't like the subtitles that are on there, the end. And we're gonna hit generate clip. All right, and that's it. So once you've made the change that you want, you just hit generate clip and you hit replace media. All right, and like I said, if you want to try this new AI video generator update, I will leave a link in the description. And make sure to choose the V3 option. Okay, and there is a free trial version that comes with it, but I highly recommend taking one of the paid plans. I would say the $96 a month plan is probably the best bang for your buck, especially if you're serious about your content creation. Now, I understand that $96 can seem a bit expensive, but if you keep this in mind, the fact that it does cost quite a bit at the moment, of course, for AI-generated companies to do what they do with AI-generated media. Once AI becomes more advanced in our culture, this will all change. Things will probably be less expensive. But also, one more thing to consider is that $96 a month that you're spending per month compared to what you would traditionally spend on a full production cost, like hundreds of dollars on filming, editing, storyboarding, etc., is a great deal. And compared to other AI tools like Sora, Runway, or Luma, like I mentioned, InVideo is the only one that can generate full videos, opposed to the other ones only generating 15 to 20-second clips. So there's really that's a no-brainer for me. So I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one later.